Hey everybody, Liz Pevytoe here. I am here to talk to you today about I Boomerang, the Cliffnotes version. Okay, so I am going to tell you everything you need to know about I Boomerang in 5 minutes or less. Yeah, I'm going to get her done. Okay, so if you don't know me, my name is Liz Pevytoe. I've been a registered nurse since 1995. I was with a product-based network marketing team for 5 years. And I just partnered with I Boomerang back in April. So I've been with I Boomerang a little over 3 months. And I want to tell you why, what caught my eye. So I'm a Cliffnotes kind of girl. I do not want to watch an hour-long presentation. Even the 15-minute presentations, I'm probably going to be doing something else. Yeah, that's just me. So I'm going to give you the Cliffnotes version of what caught my eye about I Boomerang and why you should be paying attention. Okay? Yeah, I said it. Okay, so number one thing that caught my attention was Holton Bucks. I actually have a picture of him on my wall behind my video right now. I really do. Holton, I know you're listening. Okay, so Holton Bucks, if you don't know who he is, after this video is over, or if you're watching the replay, go ahead and pause it and just go do some Googling on Holton Bucks. He's the #1 income earner of all time in network marketing. We're talking like, really, really big money, like $1 million a week kind of earning. Stop, time out. If the first thing you say whenever you say, oh yeah, right, sure, I'm so sure, $1 million a week, my challenge for you is to believe bigger and believe faster. Okay, stop looking small, stop playing small, stop dreaming small, stop thinking small. You cannot help yourself when you're broke, number one, and you surely can't help other people when you're broke. Okay, gonna keep going. That was a rabbit trail, but let's keep going. So Holton Bucks caught my eye. He is the CEO of I Boomerang. So I was like, okay, if he started a company, I need to look into it and see what this is all about. Okay, so that was number one, Holton Bucks. That's vetting the company right there. Okay, number two, our company is it's really part of number one. What is I Boomerang? We are a travel technology company. So that means we are like the Uber of travel. I'm not a what is it called, travel agent? Nope, that's not what I do. What I do is I give away free travel savings websites where customers save money. I'll explain more about that in just a second. So number two, we are just a little bit over 100 days old, and we already have over 100,000 active customers within our customer base. Hey Philip, hey guys. So active customers, not representatives, customers, okay? We have 1/3 of the amount of representatives that we do customers. That's unheard of in the network marketing industry. Most of the time, 90% of the people are reps, okay? Yeah, that's how it works. Okay, so get this. We have already booked $3 million in travel since the company was launched in March. $3 million in booked travel. Okay, so our system works when a customer hops on their website, they're going to save money and they're going to book with us. Okay, and then here's a really cool thing that a lot of people don't realize. Our website, if you find a better price on another website, we give you 110% of the difference, and you get reward points. Okay. I digress. Okay, so I gotta speed this up because I want it to be 5 minutes or less. So yes, we are a network marketing company, but we are different. With the normal or the old model, representatives only make money when they can transition their customer to buy from them at usually what is a higher price than what they can pay retail. Okay, yes, the quality is great. I'm a believer. I'm a lover. I use a lot of network marketing products. I do believe that they are superior products. However, with our particular model, you only earn money as a representative when your customer saves on travel. Okay, so we are different. So here's the deal. In a nutshell, you have two opportunities here. You can enroll as a customer, and a customer website to save on travel is 100% free to you as a customer. No catches. There's no membership fees. There's nothing. You try the customer site, and it's yours to try, and it's yours to keep forever, for as long as you want. every time you travel, you just go use our website to book like you would on Expedia or Hotels.com or Travelocity or whatever. Instead you just use your I Go for Less website and you save on travel. Okay, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Then we have the rep opportunity. Okay, so with the rep opportunity, you can do one of two things. You can build a customer base, which means you just give away free websites to your friends and family and everybody you know and everybody you meet. Okay, so that's no team building. You just give away the free websites, then you earn a commission when your customers travel. There is a team building component. You can choose to do the team building component or not. So that's, the regular network marketing model where you find other people that want to be reps and you let them be reps so they can give out free customer sites. So you could do customer building, team building, do both, okay? One or the other or both, okay? That's your opportunities. So with the rep opportunity, you can enroll with our company for as little as $49, okay? Seriously, guys. Okay, I got to speed this up because I said I was going to do it in 5 minutes or less, and I think I'm down to my last minute here, or last few seconds here. So, if you want to become a customer and you're watching this on YouTube, the instructions will be in the description. If you're watching this on Facebook, just put a comment down below, I want to be a customer. I will send you a free activation code. Like I said, there's no catches. There's no nothing. There's no nothing, y'all. Okay, and then if you want to become a rep, then again, if you're watching on YouTube, that information is going to be in the description. If you're watching on Facebook, you either message me or you can go to Boom Army. That's spelled B-U-U-M, the word Army, all one word, boomarmy.com, and you can watch the interactive presentation. So let's get you started. Everybody who's watching this either needs to be a customer or rep. Seriously, that's just the bottom line, okay? Time is of the essence here. We are a brand new company. Once someone becomes one of my customers, they're my customer forever. We are acquiring around 2,000 customers per day, and I think that's going to speed up to probably 5,000 customers today after our grand opening party in August. So this is one of those opportunities, guys. Like, if you're considering it, you need to jump on now because, like I said, we aren't going to lose customers like you do with the product-based network marketing. Once somebody becomes a customer, they're saving money. They're not going to leave. Okay? So I love you guys. I hope this was fast, furious, exactly what you wanted to know about Ibuumerang. Make sure you're following me, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.